Craig Adams here from WhenFilmSchool.com, and today I'm going to build a WordPress site with GoDaddy. And the site is built, but I'm just going to design the entire website. So we're going to go from this to this, and I'm going to try to see, there's a lot to it. I'm going to try to see how fast I can go through. I've got all of the assets ready. And I'm going to be using this old site as a reference. But this will pretty much show you the behind the scenes. You just have to, build the graphic design files and then figure out your plan and all that stuff, and, all of the type and everything you want to say. So, all right, I'm just going to get to it. So, there's so much to do. All right, let's build the pages first. So, at my pages, you'll see, 6 pages? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this first page my home page and update that. So that's pretty straightforward. That's easy. I'm just going to keep making new ones until I have everything I need as far as the pages. This next one will be blog. Oh, come on. I'm going to try this as fast as I can. All right, and we're going to make this blog large image. Oh wait, no, do I even have a blog? Yeah, I do. Jeez. Yeah, blog large image. Okay. And yeah, that's good. So that's good to go. Next will be add a new page. I'll do contact next. So I'm just building these pages, and this template is going to be contact page, and that's good to go. Next is wedding cinematography. Let's make that. And what is the slug for that? It's the same. Okay. So the slug is what it displays up here behind your HTML. Up there, and I believe that's good to go. Next will be wedding package sheet, and I want this to be oops, cancel, make a new one, leave page. I want this to be a new one. Okay, and yeah, that's good to go. But after it does that, I'm going to change this real quick just to, come on. I'm going to change this to packages. So it's easier to just type in to get, because this is going to be a secret page actually. Cool. Add one more. Wedding photography, because I'm actually doing wedding photo and video now. So I'll make that. Publish. Okay, so all of our pages should be up, but you'll notice, we don't have a menu. So we need to build a menu like this. So next we're going to go into appearance, menus, and we're going to create a new menu because we don't have any yet. We're going to call this main top menu. Create that. Okay, so we're going to add all of these except the package one to the menu. I'm going to adjust the order in which I want it to be. Okay, that's everything, right? Yeah. Yep, cool. And you'll notice that I have like shorter titles here. So these are the names of the sites, but I can change what it actually looks like. So I'm just going to change that to cinema. Change this to photo, blog, contact, home. Okay, so that's good. So I'm going to save that menu. And now I go back to my site, Command R to refresh, and I should see, top navigation. I have to add that. So, it's a lot of back and forth. It's a lot of figuring out exactly what you need. You don't want this. This will mess you up. So we're going to save that menu. And now we'll refresh. And there we go. Great. Okay, so before I do any more, one thing that I should have done earlier is that I go into select import, and this allows you to import like a theme. Well, I think Oscar was my theme. I just want the options import. So this, like, if you look at for this specific theme, you know, there are different demos and you can actually start with that demo. So let's see what this change is and if it's what I want. I'm pretty sure it's Oscar. Yeah, I think so. That looks good. Cool. And I actually have photo before cinema, so I want to change that back. So I'm going to go back to the menus. Change that order just because I want it exactly like how I had it, because I had that for a reason. Save that menu. Okay, so now you'll notice this little menu thing over here. I'm just gonna build the menu for that real quick. So create a new menu, side menu, and yeah, that's all set. I'm gonna build all the custom links for that. Well, maybe I should do that right now. It'll be quick and easy. All right, so I'm just gonna, you gotta just get all of your social media stuffs. And I already have them all here, so I'm just gonna copy all these links. And start building these. So you go custom link, type in the HTML, and then this is Facebook. Add to menu, and that's pretty straightforward. I'll just keep doing this. So this is my Twitter. Add that. Twitter. Okay. Those Instagram. The YouTubes. I hate that. I can't change that. Sucks. YouTube. Pixie set for photos. Oh, come on. Do your job. You have one job. Okay, there we go. Pixie set. Okay, so right, I'm just gonna go in here to double check, because I think I might have to make social individual menus. Yeah, I know, yeah. So side area links. Yeah, so I have 2 of them. Yeah. Okay, so I need to make 2 of these. So this isn't going to be side. This is side social menu. I could do them all in one, but I want them separated. You see, so it's like 1, 2 instead of just one list. So that's side social menu. That's good to go. Okay, I'm going to make one more menu for the side here, and this is going to be the associated site. So it's side associated sites menu. Side associated sites menu. Yay. All right, I'm just going to open these up again the same way and do the exact same thing with custom links. This is Adams Media. Okay. Got that done. We have OpenSea, my commercial brand. We have Wed Film School, of course. And I have my friend Mike's Palette Films, just because I want to support him in his efforts. Palette Films. Okay. So that should be good to go. Let's save that menu. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, so all the pages are there. I'm going to start changing the select options for the theme. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to go side by side just because I have these all figured out. Okay, so I'm going to change these colors because it's much easier to just select and paste. So you just got to like figure out what color, you know, it'll make the changes. This is like my main palette color, hex number for all my stuffs. Boxed layout, no. Fade. So I have just fade. Loading animation, yes. Pulsar, change that color. Remove. Smooth scroll, yes. No. Get rid of that. Responsive, yes, yes. Remove. We're gonna upload our first file, so you just have to bring in the media, and it's kind of nice because it keeps it all for you. So in my home page I have this little emoticon, so it's a tiny file. It's like 32 by 32 pixels, and that is good for that. So that'll show up like in this little area here. That's good, that's good. We'll do Google Analytics last. So every time you make changes, you just got to hit that change. It's quick. And let's refresh just to see if anything changed. So we have our theme colors going on. You know, that all looks good. Yeah, awesome. We're getting there. All right, let's go down to logo next. And I'm just going to remove all of the Stockholm because that's like the worst. You don't want to like show any of that stuff. Okay, I'm just going to upload all of these home media assets at one time just to make things easier, because I'm going to work page by page. And we're going to start with the home page and upload the logo right now. I believe this is the file for my logo, yeah. So like I made a PNG. It's actually quite large. It doesn't need to be that large. But it's a tiny file. It's 31 kilobytes. So it's, you know, it's a good resolution, but it's still small, so that's okay. You really want to cut down on sizes of the image files, especially for your website. Just make it run faster, easier, less stress on the server. So these are like about images, as you'll see here. So we're gonna make those portfolios. Yeah. And then this last image, come on. I believe it's the largest. It's the about, you know, the big one with me and the brides. So it takes a couple seconds. Okay, cool. So I have that one selected. Let's import this. And let's just do that for all of these. I think this is the only one that's gonna matter, but the worst thing, it takes a couple seconds just to make sure my logo will always be, no matter what options change. So change those, go over here, refresh, and my logo, yay. So pretty much the top is good, except I'm gonna get rid of that, but we'll do that later. So let's go to header next. Okay, so header and grid, right? Yeah, I do want that. Let's just double check these. Whoa, what's going on? All right, how do I put that back? That was annoying. Thanks, Safari. Thanks for that. All right, let's go to stay on page. I didn't change anything. Let's go to header so I can double check these settings. Okay. Fixed. Sticky. So I need to change that. So this is like the header thing. Menu position. That's good. Drop down, those are good. Header transparency, menu drop downs, you're fine. Turn the search thing off. Side area, yes. Did I make any changes to the side area? I don't think I did. So that makes it easy. Full screen, no, nope, and nope. Save, and that should be good. Let's just double check that. Cool, that's gone. So now technically the top is set, and I just have to add widgets to the side later for those two menus we made earlier. Okay, so now we go to the next setting. So footer. And I'm pretty much going to get rid of most of it, I believe. So we're going to turn this off. And I believe we're going to show the bottom. The text color is going to be dark. Let's just double check this. All them threes. Okay. I believe the background color is going to be non-existent. I think, right? Yeah, that's fine. And that's good. Cool. Save. Let's double check that. Technically all this should go away. That's kind of annoying. I think I have to, instead of clear, I have to make this white. I think that should make that change. See, like, it's a lot back and forth. All right, there we go. Clear, clean. Great. Okay. Change. I'm not making changes, so we're gonna go to title next. I think a lot of this is gonna be us getting rid of it, so yeah, that's good. Fonts are fine. Elements. I think there are a couple changes I have to do with elements. Back to stop style, doesn't matter. Buttons. Let's just fix these buttons real quick, just because I need to do that. Okay. What else? So let's just double check to make sure these are good. So I gotta change these. Clear. Clear. That's 4C, 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 4C. Boom. And I think this is the last one. 99. Button hover. Cool beans. Yeah, it's good. All right. Expandable section. Yep. There's no other changes. Everything's pretty good on the default except for that button stuff. Okay, let's go to sidebar. Sidebar's fine. Let's go to blog. Okay, let's just double check this stuff. Okay, large image, yes. Hide comments, hide author, likes off, this off, this off. Page Nation. Page Nation, we'll keep that on. Show filter, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, let's double check these settings. Everything, the only hide comments is yes, so we're gonna do that. All right, that's good to go. See, we're moving through this fast. Go portfolio. Pasting the content's gonna be the hardest part. Disable text box. Okay, so we need to fix this color real quick, like. That's good. Make this 0.8 transparency for the portfolio hovering stuff like this. So I made the color and I made the transparency 0.8, so 80%. Yeah. Likes off, category off. Portfolio type. Small images. Looks good to me. No sidebar. Cool. Cool. Slider note. Social share note. Nope. Contact page. Should be. Maybe we'll have to do some content stuff on the bottom, but Google Map. Nah, I don't want the Google Map. Do I? Do I want it? I don't have it for this, but I really don't have contact information either. Maybe because like I want my address, like I want people to know that I'm in New York City, which I don't really have that anywhere. I would have that here, but maybe it would be easier just to add the Google Map page thing. All right, let's figure out this between content and footer. Nope. Let's do 159 Brooklyn. This 20th Ave, Brooklyn, York. Let's remove that shit. I don't know what is best for that. Probably something like that. Nope. Nope. Upper section. I don't think I want. Yeah, I want all this to be going. Don't want any of that. Mail sent to Emissary Studio at iCloud.com. Make sure you set this up or else your email stuff is going to be whack. And you should always do a double check before you send your live site out, because the worst thing is if your website, like people are contacting you via your contact form and you're not getting them. So that's like clients lost. In the from. I don't know. That's unnecessary. Email subject. Emissary wedding. Hide website field. Yes, because my clients don't have websites. Contact form heading. Nope. Okay, so that should be good. Let's just double check this content bottom real quick. Lock. Leave the page. We're good. We good. We good. I say 9. Okay, cool. Let's check it. Let's check that contact page. See if that. All right, cool. Cool. That's fine. I kind of want that on the top though. Let's fix that because I saw that option. Google position top. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe that's better. Whoa. Maybe not. Maybe not. Cool. Make sure that's good. I don't like that negative space. Maybe I could fix that. Yeah, it looks like no. So to help with that negative space, I believe I am going to add a title. So to say hello, I want that to be in the center. And this should be done. Great. Cool. So I'm not going to do it now, but you should always do a test. And make sure that this is working. Thanks. Thanks, bro. I'll let you know if I get that email. Okay, so we just went to our home page. Cool, so this is what it's showing. All right, so next we shall go to our appearance, customize. So these are like, this is like another set of options, which is kind of weird. So yeah, I don't know why they don't just put this within the settings that are there. So I want this to be whatever, I'll just copy and paste this. Just make it easy. Okay. Yay, because I already figured all this stuff out, which you'll have to do, so deal with it. Oh, come on. Copy. Paste. Okay. Full screen, that's fine, that's fine. Front page is a static page. We're gonna make the front page my home and the post page my blog, because we already set that up with our pages. Save it, and then that's set. So now this should start to look a bit better. Okay, so that's our home page and our blog page. Great. It's great. Cool. Okay, so now let's do the widgets real quick before I forget. So let's just go down here. And we don't want a sidebar, but we're going to do the side area. And what we're going to do is add 2 custom menus. And they're going to be the menus that we made. So the top one's going to be social. Next one's going to be that. Click save. And let's check to see what the change is. Okay, so we need to add the titles. So this is social, I guess, right? Just social. Social media and then associated websites. Social media, associated websites. Save that. There. Oh, okay, all of our menus are set to go, top and side. It'd be good to double check these, but you know, I know they're good. And then these are set. Okay, so our website structure is pretty much, we have to do the bottom here, which we can do right here, which is footer text. We're gonna drop custom menu there. This is gonna be side social, and we're gonna leave that blank, but we're also going to add text on top, and that's like my little copyright thing. Actually, we're going to put that on the bottom. Cool. Put that in there. That should be good. Okay, so now I have these little just text links all good to go down there. Okay, that's good. Nice, Benny. So now my structure is good. I just have to add content now. So let's go to, fucking God, this is so annoying. What is your problem? Stay on the Safari thing. Okay, so now we're going to go to pages, and our first page will be home. Pages, pages, home, and you'll notice it says it's the front page now. So you're gonna have to type out all this stuff. You're gonna have to figure out what you want, but this Visual Composer plugin that I mentioned at the beginning is super awesome. Makes it really easy to build your stuff. But if you're not using that, which this is like a little bug that happens. So when you switch the editor, you kind of just have to hit update and it'll fix this little bug thing here. It's like weird. Okay, so now that looks good. So it's like, this is the normal way. So there's 2 ways, like visual and text. So this is like the short code. So I'm just gonna select all this code because this should technically allow me to just put all this stuff right in here without the media files. You know, it's gonna point to nothing. But yeah. So it would be helpful if I showed you like building this from scratch, but I'll show you a little bit as I make the tweaks that I need. So you'll see, sorry, no posts, metric criteria, and then my images are missing, as you'll see from this home page. Okay, so we need to make this look like this, or no, this look like that. So we're going to go back to this other editor, and yeah, so everything should look good. We just have to fill in these holes. So this first image is the about one that I already uploaded. So I click that edit button. This takes forever. Come on now. Why you take forever? Okay, I'm gonna try again. There we go. Okay, so I can just select this, insert that image, full, default, no link. Great. And where those good to go? Yeah. So I have to put these portfolio things down here. Sorry, no post metric criteria. Are they on top? Okay, empty space. Cool. Yeah, and I just have to affect this. So I'm gonna change this to home. So I have, this is the way that I like to make my portfolio look. And selecting the category, because I'm gonna have portfolio category. I have a couple portfolio categories, 3. One for home, one for video, and one for photo. So I'm gonna put that home right there, but I still have to build those portfolio items, so I'll do that next. Okay, so that code should be good. Gonna hit update, go over here, refresh, and the images should be in. Great. And I just have to I need to figure out, I don't know why that is there, because technically this should be down here. So once I do my portfolio stuff, we'll double check that, but we'll have to see. All right, so let's build our portfolio categories first. So this is my home, Slug's home, and it kind of helps if you put something in the description just for metadata. Actually, no, it's just pointless. Just forget about it. Oh, forget about it. All right, so that's good. We're gonna do cinema, and lastly, photo. Okay, so those 3 are good. So now we're gonna make a new portfolio. Okay, so we're gonna call this Wedding Film School, and it's going to be a home portfolio. We're gonna set the featured image for the Wedding Film School thumbnail that I already uploaded. We're gonna add a portfolio image to that same thing, and we're going to add a link. So yeah, this is going to go to, because it could go to just like a portfolio page, and you'll see what that looks like, because I use that for my video portfolios. But you can also just send it to a link, which is kind of awesome. So I can just send that right there, and that's good to go. We'll publish that. And technically, because I already set up that home category here, we can refresh this and that one image should show up. Great. And it got rid of that content thing, which I thought it would, and it places it down here. Oh, I also have to change that. I need to change that real quick. So if you see something, you should do it. Make that change before you forget. And I know that's a setting within this blog option. It's like show category. I think, right? Fuck. Oh, no, it's portfolio. Yeah. Hide category, yes. Okay. Save that change. And now that'll fix that for me. But now that I think about it, I want this to say Wedding Film School just because that's what it needs to be. So this title goes to there. So can make that update. Cool. And I know that made that change. So let's do this 2 more times for the other things. So next will be, we can make that change. Okay, so this is going to be Cadams Media. This is home, featured image, Pachero. Do add image for the portfolio. Same thing. And we're going to get the link for Cadams Media. Sound effects. Yay! Portfolio link. Publish. Good to go. Do one more time for OpenSea. Studios. Home. This little ocean. It's like the Gulf of Mexico, actually. The Gulf of Mexico. The good day. Let's get that link. Gotta learn keyboard shortcuts. Makes everything so much faster. I tell you what. Okay, so that's good. Cool. So all 3 of those are done. Let's refresh this and make sure, because this should be the last step for this homepage. Boom, 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 boom. And like a good person, you should test these links, but I know they're good. So because I already tested them, and I'm just copying and pasting. Okay, so next we're going to go to photo. I like this little loading thing. It's like when it's like your color, it just links it all together. It's pretty awesome. So these are portfolio links, just like I was just doing on the homepage, and they'll be for photo albums. And then we're gonna add in all of this this text and all this stuff. I think this might be the toughest. Well, no, the code will work for these, you know. So these are like little, it's called an accordion, so it's like just a way to display information. And like I made it so that the colors like worked for my website palette, and I like, you know, there's a lot of work, there's a lot of coding that goes, and you'll see. But just like a lot of images, text. This is just like paragraph format, because there's like different formats for the font, and then this is just like bolded of that. And then links, you know, it's really rich. It's a good way to like show all the info. I like this. So this should go pretty quickly, but I have to do these portfolio items. So I'm going to do that first because I'm already here. So this is going to be, what is this? Weddings. Okay. So this is going to be photo. And then I need to upload the 3 files for this. So I'm going to upload all of the files for wedding photography. These are the 3 portfolio, and then these are the images that I'm going to use for the bottom part. Okay, so while that's happening, I'm going to open these links so that I can, you know, copy and paste these much quicker, because these are the links to my Pixie set albums. So this will go here, and I just have to be patient and wait a sec. But let's just head over here. And while we're waiting for that to happen, we can go back to the pages and get ready to copy the text from the photo page. The photo page. Yeah, good. It brought me straight to the text. All right, so like see all of this text, and like especially at the bottom for like all of this stuff. All of this right here is like all for that question thing. Okay, it's still uploading. Still uploading. You'll notice that I have a call to action here, so people can see the info, but they can't see prices. So if they want to see prices for my wedding packages for photo or video, they have to sign up for a email list. So it's pretty awesome. It's all automatic. I get to see who's checking out my website. What is this? What is that? People. So that should be the nature one. Technically, you should work. Places. Huh. Alright. I'm gonna have to find that manually. That's not good. So one of my links wasn't working. I didn't know. No, what is this? HTML5. Wedding site. No. I think everything uploaded. One. Just 2 samples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe one of them didn't, but we'll have to double check. Alright, so this gets put there. This goes same photo. And we're going to, nope, not this. We're going to send it to this album here. So we can get rid of that. Go down here, and just like before with the home page, we're sending them as soon as they click on that to new link. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing with people. New item. This is photo. This is people. Featured this gal right here. She's quite beautiful. And link. Okay. Publish. Publish. Come on. Alright, while we're waiting, I need to go to Pixieset. I need to find that album. So I have places? Yeah. Okay, so this Pixieset thing, I need to view. And this is what I was trying to get before. I think I changed the name, so that's what was different. So we're going to place this. I already have that link, so I'm just going to put that there for now. This is photo. This is called places. Yeah, that's fine. Right? Places? Yeah, that works. That works. And that's, I need to do this. See, it's like there's so many things to do. Sometimes you just forget. It's not good. Okay, so those should be good. It's not going to show up yet though. Okay, so we're going to go to the pages. And we need to go to the photo page right here. And now we can select all of this, post. Okay, let's see what that looks like. We're gonna have to put in all the photos and fix the links for the portfolio that we just built with those 3 on top. So you see that on top, we'll fix that. We'll fix all the images. We'll double check to make sure that this is working. Let's just see. So this takes me, okay, so that's working. That's good. Image, image, image. Are these working? Yay! That's so awesome. Are there links in here? Awesome. Dope. Alright, that makes it super easy. Alright, let's fix all of these. We'll go back to the backend editor. Okay. So, we need to just fix this category to what we have, photo. That's done. Alright, so now this first top image is, we're just gonna use this couple right here. Gonna insert, and we should have all the files, hopefully. There was that one error, so we'll have to see. And one thing you'll notice is that I put an image link for all of these on these pages, because this will send anyone who clicks this image to the subscribe to get the package prices. So I want to push people to that as much as possible, so that makes it easy. Okay, so the next image, that's call to action. This image right here is this one under the underpass. Right here. Quick and easy. Again with the link, you know, pushing everyone to that. This one should be, oops. Everyone in the line. Everyone in the line. What is this? That's not right. Are you messing up on me? Let's try to upload that file one more time. I think that's the one that messed up. I cannot see what we have. Yeah, I think that's the only one I need to upload, so it's under 400 kilobytes, so I don't know why you won't work. And I don't know what this ghosting is over here. WordPress, get your shit together. And this is a tiny file, hurry up. All right, there we go, that works. I'm happy. That's good. I think 2 more images. Black and white, and then the glasses. Black and white. Good to go. And lastly, the glasses. So it's like making these things here. I don't know why it's doing that. It's weird. Okay, so technically I think this page is done. So let's double check. Everything looks good with the whatever link thing up here. Did I not add? Let's double check this. Maybe I didn't add the category to one of these portfolios. Okay, let's double check that. Let's go to portfolio. What one is missing? The people. Oh, it's a draft. I think that's when it got messed up or something. So let's go photo. We need to add her image. That right there. Okay. Publish. Now technically that should show up and finalize this. Great. Cool. So going down, that all works. Looks good. Check, check, check. These work. All right, so the photo page is done. Good. That didn't take too long. Now let's add some new portfolio items for our next page, which will be cinema. So I have 6 portfolio items, as you'll see, for these videos, and this takes a little bit more work, but I have the emissary film. Yeah, so I can places. I can easily open all these and then just transfer this info. So this will take a couple minutes to pull all the stuff though. I have a lot of tabs open. It can get a bit scary. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that just to make things simple. Okay, so we're just gonna start making these portfolio items for cinema. Add that, cinema. Okay, we're gonna upload all these files now. So it should be under wedding cinema. Okay, these are the 6 portfolios, BTS, some more images. We're gonna upload all these. Okay. See, those ghost images went away, so it's just like something weird. WordPress does that. There's a lot of files, there's a lot of stuff going on, so I don't blame it, really. Right before I started this, I ate a cheesecake, so I'm feeling it right now. That's why I'm trying to drink water to offset the amount of fucking fat and calories and whatever I, just ingested. Cheesecake land. Gotta stay away from the cheesecake. Okay, so that's loading. Is there anything we can do while we're waiting? I don't know if that's how you spell harbor, but whatevs. Whatevs. That's good. Yeah, there's really nothing I can do right now. Just gonna wait for these to upload. Oh, we can switch to the cinema page for this just to see our progress, which is 0 right now. Loading nothing. Thanks. Cool. Alright, what I can do is I can do this. I can get one more of these open. And I can go and push on this code while I'm waiting for those to upload. So select all, copy and paste into here. Still uploading. Still uploading. I am using my fast Wi-Fi, so make sure text is selected. Like if you paste it with visual, like it can mess it up. So make sure you have text when you're pasting text, you know. Okay, so that should be good. And I can actually do that as I'm waiting. So that just needs a little more time. Let's see if that made it should show all this information with no photos and no links for the portfolio items, which it'll look weird, but the info will be there, you know. At least we're doing something while we're waiting for that to upload. Cool beans. So this is pretty similar to photo, but just different info and different samples, which makes sense. Okay, cool. So let's just get rid of what we were working on there. And this should finish up in a second. So what was the actual image that I wanted to bring up? We're working on Linda and Nicole. So we need this photo. Cool. And we're gonna add image for the portfolio. And I'll show you what this actually looks like, the actual portfolio, when you open it up in a minute. The link, no. Oh, actually we're not uploading photos for that. We're adding video, and we need to put the link. So that should be right here. We can just copy and paste the ID. Nice. I need to tell it that it's YouTube as well. Okay, so that's good. So we're gonna add new. Get rid of that. That's done. Okay, so same thing. Cinema featured image. What is this? This wedding. Nope, that's the wrong image. This wedding. Same couple, different image. Add video. Let's get that link, please. Boom, boom. So some people put the full YouTube like HTML. You just need this little ID. So that's something that could mess you up if you don't recognize that you're making those changes. So that's a little helpful hint, I guess. Publish that shit. That should be good. Yeah. All right. Let's make a new one. Let's see how fast I can go. Cinema. This is Chelsea and Conrad. Boom. Boom. I need the link. I need the link. I need the link. Come on. I'm like spazzing out. Add video. YouTube. Publish. Okay. Get rid of that. Copy. Copy. Add new. And let's do it. Come on. Come on. Add new. Here we go. Cinema. Right here. done with that. Video, YouTube, ID, featured image. This is this wedding. Pretty sure. Just read. Yeah. Boom. Add new. 2 more. Done with that. Yeah. This one. Cinema, publish. 2013 reel. Gotta get on that new reel, bro. I might even skip 2014. Might just make it into the one like big 2015 reel. Kind of have been slacking in the editing department as of late. So, whoops. See, I just messed up there. Same image, different framing. So, gotta make sure you got the raw images. Grab this video link. Get rid of that. Bring this, YouTube. Okay. I am a spaz, but I'm fast, so. Okay, so all of those should be good. Now I just have to go into the page for wedding cinematography. Fix. Come on. Come back in. Go to this visual composer. We're gonna fix this portfolio list because we need to point it at cinema category. And we need to fix all these images. So let's go down and figure out what. All right, so Statue of Liberty. And once again, image link, sending to package pricing. Next we have Gary and Tim. I love that photo, so good. Save that. Next we have this hipster photo right here. Right here. Save. Top of Central Park. Yep, let's go. I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. So hopefully this isn't boring to you. But if not, you know, hopefully it's educational at least, I guess. I don't know. I took this photo with a ton of ISO, but I still like it. Like, it's a cool barn reception thing. Black and white. Is it this one? Yep. Save. And then lastly, we have this little BTS Instagram compilation I did. Save. That should be good. Great. Update. Refresh. Let's double check to make sure it's good. Give it a sec. There we go. Cool. And now I can show you what these portfolios look like. So when you click each of those, it gives you a little bit of data, and then it shows this video embed. So you can watch directly on here, and you can full screen it, do all that stuff. So that's pretty dope. And then you could just go back. Once again, if you click on any, well, come on. Let's go cinema. So if you click on any of the images, it sends you to my email list, and all this info is good. And then we have these. Cool. So done, 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 done. Blog is last. Blog is done. So really what I have to do last is this package page that my email list points at. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to open it up within here, and I'm also going to pull up what it looks like. So this is some secret stuff. So this isn't an item like that people can get to on my site. You just have to type in this to get it. So this is what couples will see when they sign up for my email list, and I'm like hiding my prices and stuff. So you get to see it now because you've watched this video this long. You deserve a cookie. So yay. That's good. Let's go. Okay, so that's set. Let's go to text. Once again, we're going to select all this and paste that. Okay, let's update that, see what that looks like. I gotta type it in. I think I just have to update 2 images. Oh, I don't think packages. Okay, so the permalinks changed. Okay, I'll change that, update. It was pointing at the, I didn't have, like the permalink was different, so I just changed it. So now if I refresh, it should show. Okay, great. So I just need the 2 images and that's good. Cool. So we're gonna go back end. We're gonna fix these. So the top is cinema. I think I need to upload them. Yeah, this should be quick. Packages, boom, boom, upload. Okay, so this, let me think, should be the last thing that I have to do. So these are set, bottom set, menu set, packages. I'm gonna double check that. Yeah, the only thing that I really have to do is double check that the link, I just have to take this link and then put that in the MailChimp for when people go through the sign up thing through this, that once they fill out and complete all of that, it automatically sends them to my packages page. But I don't have to show you that. But yeah, that's really the last step I have to do. But I'm just gonna put in these last 2 images. And I'm not linking them to anything because they're just images. You know, they don't have to point to anything. This is photography. Cool. Full image size. Those look good. Great. Update. Let's double check that. Let's type this in. Okay. And yay. Okay. I think that's it. So the website's done. I don't know how long that took me, but hopefully it's not too long of a video, and hopefully this helped. But yeah, it should be a mirror image of the site that I have up. And you'll notice, like, this is Emissary Film, so this is Emissary Studio. So now this is what I wanted my root to be. So it was a simple change, but it took, you know, a lot of work. Cool. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I would love to see you give this video a like, and please share it if you want to share it. Do so. So this is Craig Adams signing off. Thank you for watching. See you.